When we talk about Indian automotive history, there are some names that disappeared from the streets, but still live inside the memory of every true enthusiast. And one of those legends is the Tata Sierra. The Tata Sierra wasn't just a car. It was India's first lifestyle SUV long before the term even existed. Born in 1991, at a time when Maruti 800 ruled the roads and Hindustan Ambassador was still considered a standard, Tata brought something that looked like it traveled from the future. Sierra arrived with features Indians had never seen before, like 3 doors, factory-fitted air conditioning, power steering, electric windows, and that massive, unique, fixed panoramic rear glass, which instantly became its identity. The shape was bold, boxy, futuristic, and extremely unique for that decade. Under the hood, it offered a 1.9-liter diesel engine in the beginning, and later Tata introduced the more powerful 1.9-liter turbo diesel, which produced around 90 horsepower. The top speed was around 150 kilometers per hour, which, for that era, was crazy fast. And yes, the Sierra also came with a 4x4 variant, built on a rugged ladder-frame chassis with leaf springs, big tires, and a mechanical drivetrain. It was not a soft-roader. It was a proper, real, rugged Indian off-roader. This car was made for mountains, villages, forests, deserts, everywhere. But the biggest highlight was its visual identity, the giant wraparound rear window that gave Sierra a completely different look. Till today, no Indian SUV has carried such a signature design. So if the Sierra was so ahead, why did it fail? The answer is simple: India was not ready. First, lifestyle SUVs were far ahead of the mindset of Indian customers. Second, the early Tata quality was not very refined. Third, people in the 1990s did not want a 3-door cool car. They wanted practical family cars. The Sierra was misunderstood in its own time, but the few who bought one became the cool guy of their area. Owning a Sierra meant personality, style, and a unique identity. Fast forward to Auto Expo 2020 and 2023. Tata stunned everyone by bringing the Sierra back as a modern concept, fully reimagined, with a fresh design that still respected the original. Sleek LED lighting, EV platform, evolved glass treatment, modern interiors, Sierra was shown as a futuristic electric SUV. And Tata confirmed that they are bringing the Sierra into production, expected around 2025 to 2026. So the Sierra is not just a memory, it will return as a production car. Meaning Sierra is not only history, it is the future. Fast forward to Auto Expo 2020 and 2023. Tata stunned everyone by bringing the Sierra back as a modern concept, fully reimagined, with a fresh design that still respected the original. Sleek LED lighting, EV platform, evolved glass treatment, modern interiors, Sierra was shown as a futuristic electric SUV. And Tata confirmed that they are bringing the Sierra into production, expected around 2025 to 2026. So the Sierra is not just a memory, it will return as a production car. Meaning Sierra is not only history, it is the future. Today, even after 30+ years, Sierra has a cult following. People buy old Sierras, restore them, rebuild their engines, repaint them, and proudly continue driving them. Instagram pages and YouTube restoration videos of Sierra get millions of views because the emotional value of this car is very strong. Sierra is like India's own Bronco or India's own Land Rover Defender, a true icon of personality and heritage. Tata Sierra was ahead of its time, not understood in the 90s, but today the world is finally ready. From 1991 diesel power to 2026 electric future, Sierra is not just coming back, Sierra is returning as royalty.